Hi everyone, today we're going to the Dominican Republic. It's a beautiful island with sunshine and beaches. We're off to Santo Domingo, the capital city. Santo Domingo is old and has many stories. It also has modern places like Blue Mall. Blue Mall is a beautiful shopping center. Get ready for a fun day. We're walking towards the mall now. It's big and shiny. I can't wait to see what's inside. Come on, let's go! Blue Mall opened in 2007. It was a big deal for Santo Domingo. People were so excited to shop and have fun there. The mall brought new stores to the island. People could find things they couldn't before. It became a popular place to visit. Blue Mall is more than just a mall. It's a place where people come together. They shop, eat, and enjoy time with friends and family. Let's go shopping. Blue Mall has so many stores. You can find anything you need here. They have famous brands from all over the world. Clothes, shoes, bags, you name it. There are also stores with local Dominican products. Looking for a special gift? Blue Mall has jewelry stores with beautiful pieces. They also have electronic stores with the latest gadgets. I'm getting hungry. Good thing Blue Mall has amazing restaurants. Let's find something delicious to eat. There are so many choices. You can find fast food, casual dining, and fancy restaurants. They have food from all over the world. Want to try Dominican food? They have restaurants serving traditional dishes. You can also find Italian, Mexican, Japanese, and more. Blue Mall is not just about shopping and eating. They also have entertainment for everyone. They have a movie theater playing the latest films. You can catch a movie with your friends or family. They also have a play area for children. Blue Mall often hosts special events. There are concerts, fashion shows, and holiday celebrations. There's always something exciting happening. Sometimes shopping can be tiring. Don't worry, Blue Mall is a great place to relax too. They have comfortable seating areas throughout the mall. You can sit down, rest your feet, and enjoy the atmosphere. Grab a cup of coffee or a refreshing drink. Take a break from shopping and enjoy the company of your loved ones. Blue Mall is not just a shopping center, it's also a place for art. You'll find beautiful artwork throughout the mall. There are sculptures, paintings, and installations by Dominican artists. The mall supports local talent and showcases their creativity. Take a moment to appreciate the art as you walk around. It adds a touch of elegance and culture to the shopping experience. I've been to Blue Mall many times and I always have a great time. I have so many wonderful memories here. One time I came here with my family for a special occasion. We had a delicious dinner and then watched a movie together. It was a perfect day. Another time I came here with my friends for a girls' day out. We went shopping, had lunch, and laughed so much. Blue Mall is a place where memories are made. Well, that's it for our tour of Blue Mall Santo Domingo. I hope you enjoyed exploring this wonderful shopping center with me. If you're ever in Santo Domingo, be sure to visit Blue Mall. It's a must-see destination that offers something for everyone. See you there.
you.